Alright, we're back at my grandparents' house and we're starting a new project. Alright, so I'll go ahead and tell you that the project is a racing lawnmower. So I'm going to convert an old riding lawnmower or lawn tractor, whatever you call it, and make it into like a little go-kart. This is the professional tool I'll be using today. Looks pretty professional. So there is a specific lawnmower back there that I was hoping to get, but there are other options like using another engine from another lawnmower. And there's 3 lawnmowers that I know that I can use. So we'll just figure it out, I guess. It's not ideal working environment over here. So the thing is that the lawnmowers are right here. Alright, so here's the motors. Here's my dolly. So I gotta clear a path from here to go around, out that gate, and over to that that open area, that pasture over there. So when you are professionally chopping down a tree, you gotta have the nice, what you call it, notch effect, where you notch it and then you let it fall. So watch how I do it. Beautiful. Alright, I've been going at it for like 30 minutes. And we got all the way, or I got all the way to right there. So path goes this way. Gotta finish up this little bit, and then we'll be ready to go. Alright, so we're gonna try to use the dolly to somehow get this mower all the way around and over there. Alright, so after pulling it a good, I'd say 200, 300 feet, it's way too tiring to do it. So I've decided to grab a metal chain and hook it up to the golf cart with the dolly. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh yeah. Go. Alright. Oh my goodness, how is this so much easier? Oh, that front profile actually looks pretty sweet. It's wider than the back. If you look at it right here, it's wider than that. Alright. Get this little battery out so we can get a new one. Let me see. So now I'm just trying to remove the deck. So there's these little pins here that you gotta pull out like these. There's just a bunch of these, so I guess we'll get to work. Okay, we got pretty loose. There's a couple more spots, but there we go. Yeah, look at that. I did that. There we go. Now it looks more like a go-kart. Alright, first let's try to, I guess, look at the air filter. It looks pretty good. Okay. Probably an easier way to do this, but hopefully. Alright, I think I'm shutting it down for today. Alright, I think that's it for today. Got the mowers out. Got the deck off, Craftsman. I think that was all we did. Oh, we got a new battery. I tried to start the yard machine up, same clicking thing, so I don't know. So yeah, till tomorrow.